ba?
Dairut, mag-end ka na dyan, Dairut. I-book mo ako sa Grab. Bibidyohan kita kasi ibibigay ko kay Inday. Ay.
Sige naman. Belated happy birthday, Mr. Dayo, please.
What's up? Team Dashlong, ayan, Team Pinday ni Inday Jenny. Ayan, shoutout po mga kabunso sa lahat ng bumubuo ng team na Dashlong, Team Pinday.
Si Dashlong sa kasi Ilong.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo mga bunso. Hindi ko ito maintindihan. Dashlong and Pinday. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo and more blessings to come pa sa inyong dalawa. Team Dashlong, Team Pinday.
Pakapalaw muna natin sila. Come on, you should appreciate the craft of those people. I mean, it's amazing. Alright, so now ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again to them for that mesmerizing performance. Your talent is truly a testament to the richness of Filipino culture. So now, my dear friends, we will now have our grand walk showcasing some of our distinguished awardees. These individuals have made significant contributions in their fields and deserves to be celebrated. These remarkable individuals will soon have the distinct honor of gracing the prominent billboards to both here in Manila as well as in Times Square, New York. Not Cubao, but in the United States of America. Alright? Okay. So we'll be starting to know their names. To start off, we have Janine Mendoza from Fashionista Mall Beauty Lounge.
Ready, mga bunso! Oh, ready! Atras! Lumikod! Atras! Ano ba? Ayaw ko na namigil. Hindi mo rin eh. Ganyan.